Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you are gonna learning about how to change your birthday in Snapchat, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Talk and you are watching the Starknet's Gun YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Snapchat and then tap at that avatar or profile picture in your top right corner. By tapping on it, you will come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap on the gear in the top right corner to open up your account settings. In your account settings, you can see the option on the third number. Just simply tap on it like that, and from here you have the access to change your birthday. Once you're done with it, just simply tap continue and tap OK. So once you are done with it, here you have another option of birthday party. If you uncheck this option, your friends will not get notification of your birthday. If you tap at that option, your friends will get a notification of your birthday. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.